Hi guys. Okay, so today's video is going to be a product empties video. I have quite a lot of products that I used up. Unfortunately, I don't have a lot of hair products though, because I feel like I just became a product junkie when it comes to hair, so I really don't have many hair products to show you guys, unfortunately, but I still do have some products that I've used up, and I figured you guys may be interested in knowing the products that I have used up and my thoughts about them. So I'm just gonna jump right into the video. Let me say this if I haven't said it already. Hi to all my new subscribers, hey to all my old subscribers, and thank you guys so much for watching my channel. I truly appreciate it. Alright, let's just jump right in the video. So I'm gonna first start off with skincare, and one product that I used up would be this Clinique Take Off Balm, Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. You guys, I love this cleansing balm. I would say this is like my fourth time purchasing this. So I haven't bit the bullet and bought the big size because I'm just like really cheap. But I have bought like 4 of these, and I love this. To take off my makeup, this is what I use. I use this plus makeup wipes. This is so effective at taking off your makeup. You only need a little bit to take off all your makeup, mascara, foundation, blush. It literally takes off everything, even waterproof mascara. So this is one of my favorite makeup removers. I tried to alternate by using coconut oil instead because I thought it would be like the same, but no. Coconut oil did not take off my makeup the way this did. So if you guys are in the market for looking for a cleansing balm that's going to take off your makeup, like all your makeup, definitely give this Clinique Take the Day Off Balm a chance. And you can get these little small sizes from Sephora right when you're checking out. They're like $10. So as you guys can see, it's all going because I love it. Another skincare product that I've used up would be this CeraVe Eye Repair Cream. And I'm going to do close-ups of all these products. Now my best friend gave me this. She wasn't using it, so she gave it to me, and when she gave it to me, it was pretty much full. So I've literally used all of this up, and this is such a good eye cream. It provides your under eyes with a lot of moisture, and that is because it does have hyaluronic acid in it. I will put the benefits of hyaluronic acid below, but hyaluronic acid is very good to keep your skin hydrated. So this is great for under eye bags, under eye circles. Now it's not going to completely get rid of those under eye bags. It's more so of a temporary fix. It's something you put on like in the morning when you look kind of tired, or if you're going out and you're about to put your concealer on and you don't want your eyes to look so tired. But it's not a permanent fix, it's just temporary. So this eye cream I have definitely been loving. I will probably repurchase this. I am looking for like the Holy Grail eye cream. If you guys know any good eye creams for puffy under eyes, let me know. Leave it in the comments below. But if you guys haven't tried this, I would say definitely pick it up. It's good and it's affordable. Next product is a product I've already talked about in my current favorites video, which I filmed like a couple months ago, and now I'm pretty much done with it, and it's this OLLY Henriksen Truth Serum. I won't talk too much about this because if you guys have watched my current favorites video, then you already know how I feel about this. This is such a good face serum. It provides your skin with hydration. It gives your face like this plump look. It brightens up your skin, gets rid of the dark spots. I love this serum. It does take a while, like I said, to see a noticeable difference in your skin, but it is still a wonderful, wonderful face serum. So if you guys haven't tried this OLLY Henriksen Truth Serum, go and pick it up because I like it. Now for makeup, I do have this Porefessional Pore Primer. This is another product that I talked about in my 2019 favorite makeup products. So I listed all the favorite makeup products I love for the year of 2019, and this was one of them. This was one of my favorite primers. Like I said in the video, this does a good job at filling in those enlarged pores. It really just makes your foundation look a little bit more seamless and airbrush. Imagine your face like someone like me who has enlarged pores. Imagine like foundation seeping into those enlarged pores and people being able to see that. And imagine like someone or something being able to just smooth that over so that you won't see it. This is what this does. This is just a primer that's going to fill in those enlarged pores so that when you put your foundation on, it looks seamless and flawless. And no, it does not break me out. I know like you guys are probably thinking, okay, if you're putting something to fill in your enlarged pores, won't it break you out? But it doesn't. This is a great primer. It doesn't cause breakouts. It just does exactly what it advertises, which is fill in your pores and make your skin look flawless. So I definitely have been loving this Benefit Porefessional primer. So I do have a few hair favorites that I finished up. Not much, not as much as some of the girls here on YouTube. Like, I be watching some Empties videos and I'm like, how are y'all finishing up these products? Like, literally, I just did an Empties 4 months ago. Now, 4 months later, you have like a full bag of more Empties. Like, it takes me a while to finish hair products. So I don't really have too many hair products, but I will show you guys what I have used up. So one of the things I have used up is this Alikay Naturals Moisturizing Black Soap. I have talked about this in my 2019 hair favorites video, all the hair products I've been loving for the year 2019. I talked about this shampoo. I said in that video that I do like this shampoo. It doesn't really clarify my hair like it claims. And that's for me. This is just for me. It doesn't really clarify my hair, even though it's supposed to be a clarifying shampoo. It cleanses, but it doesn't get rid of every little speck. Like, I still sometimes will scratch my scalp and I still will have some product on my scalp. Now, some people may not be bothered by that. Some people may be bothered by that. I am one of those people. I want my scalp completely clean. So for me, this doesn't completely thoroughly clean my scalp, but it does do a good enough job at getting rid of most of the buildup, most of the dirt, and it does an excellent job at moisturizing my hair. My hair, out of all the shampoos I have, I would say this is the most moisturizing shampoo I have. None of my other shampoos moisturize my hair the way this one does. I can detangle with this. I can finger detangle and also use a brush, like a detangling brush with my hair when I'm using this. I don't have any knots. I don't have any tangles. There's something in here that like literally melts my tangles away. So this is one of the most moisturizing shampoos on the market right now. And I've used it up. I've already went ahead and bought the big size, so don't even worry about it. I already got me another one on standby, okay? Next product that I have used up, and you guys should already know what it is, and it is the TextureID styling cream. I'm not gonna like fill y'all ears with the love I have for this. I'm not gonna bore y'all because I've talked about this too many times, and I know y'all probably like, all right, I get it. Like, you love the product, we get it. I know. So I'm not really gonna talk about it too much, but I have used up most of the product. Well, I've used up all of the product, and I already have 2 on standby. So you guys already know I love this styling cream. One of my favorite styling creams. I haven't found anything yet comparable or anything I like better than this. So if you guys have not tried the TextureID styling cream, definitely go out and pick it up. Next product is this Alikay Naturals Moisture Repairing Mask, and this is a sample size, so I used all of it up. And I heard about this product from Mad Curls, and I was a little curious about it, so I wanted to try it, but I didn't want to like dive in and buy the full size and not like it. So I seen on their website that they offer sample sizes like this, which is super convenient. So I ordered a sample size, and this gave me, I say 1.5 use, meaning I used it once fully on my head, and then the second time I was able to use what's left over plus another deep conditioner. It didn't, the second time I tried to use it, it wouldn't do my whole head. I got like 1 full use and 1/2 of a use out of it. And you guys, this deep conditioner is amazing, like amazing. I'm telling you, it's amazing. This gave me so much slip. So much slip. Like, I was able to finger detangle my hair after I rinsed this out. I was able to go through my hair with a wide tooth comb. I was able to do the most with my hair. Like, my hair has never had that much slip from a deep conditioner. And trust me, you guys, I have some good deep conditioners. Like, hint, hint, I have some Sotanicals deep conditioners, which are, you know, those are like the queen of slip, okay? But this is up there. This is up there when it comes to slip. So I did go ahead and purchase the big size, and I will do a review for you guys on this deep conditioner. So you know what, I'm not even going to keep going on about this, because I'm going to do a review and I'm going to show you guys how magical this damn deep conditioner is. So let me just stop right now, because I know I'm going to keep going on. Let's go to the next product. Alright, so now to some other miscellaneous products that I've used up. One product that I use would be this OLLY Women's Multivitamins. I have been using I think it's the one a day. I have been using those vitamins for years. Then I switched to using the Trader Joe's multivitamins. Then I moved and I couldn't find Trader Joe's anymore, or Whole Foods, wherever. I think it was Whole Foods. No, Trader Joe's. I couldn't find them nowhere near me, so I had to find an alternative multivitamin. Stumbled upon these, and you guys, these are wonderful. I can only speak for the women who watch my channel, because these are women multivitamins. For the women who watch me, if you guys are looking for a multivitamin, definitely give this a try. I definitely notice a difference when I don't use these. I think I went a week without using them because I needed to buy them again, and I just didn't have the time to go get it. And I noticed a difference. I felt more sluggish. I didn't feel like I was that alert. I didn't feel like I had that much energy. This definitely made a difference on my health. I'm telling you, you guys, when I'm using these, I feel more like alert. I feel more like, I don't feel so sluggish as I usually do. And I noticed that it made a difference, like I said, when I didn't use it for like a week. So it does have some wonderful ingredients. Of course, it has vitamin A, C, D, E, B, and biotin and folic acid. So this has great ingredients. It has also B12 in it. It has vitamin D, I think I said that. Vitamin B6. It has a lot of great beneficial vitamins for women. So definitely go out and give this a try. You can find it at Target, and I want to say it's like $13.99, but it's worth it. You get 90 gummies, so I think that's worth the price. Next product would be this Jergens Deep Conditioning Shea Butter. Love this, love this. I've used all of this. Y'all, this is such a good lotion. It's a butter, but it wasn't thick to the point where I couldn't, like, you know, use it all over my body. This was such a good moisturizing butter for your skin. I loved it. I'm really pissed because I can't find it anymore. I went to Walmart, I couldn't find it. I went to Target, I can't find it. I found it at Walmart, but I can't find it anymore, so I don't know if they're not making it. But I'm kind of pissed about it because I love this. This is great. If you guys suffer from dry skin, dry to severely dry skin, try this. It's not greasy, it's not thick, it's not heavy on the skin. It gives you just the right amount of moisture without leaving your skin feeling thick and greasy. So definitely have been loving this. Another lotion that I have used up would be this Bath & Body Works Papaya Paradise lotion. And also this Bath & Body Works Beautiful Day lotion. These two. So I got these as a gift last year, and you guys, I love this. I'm not really a big fan of the Bath & Body Works lotions because they really don't moisturize my skin, but I noticed with these two, they definitely moisturized my skin. So I would use this all over my body, which did a great job at moisturizing my skin all over. Like, it did a wonderful job. I would use this like just for my hands. You know, when you're at work and you wash your hands all day, I would use this as a hand cream because I found that, yes, it moisturizes my hands good, but from all over body, the moisture really didn't last that much. But for this one, oh my goodness, the moisture lasts all day. So I definitely love this for an all over body cream. I just wish it came in like a bigger tube. And also the smell, like the smell of these products are just, oh my God, it smells so good. So good. These both smell so good. So if you guys are looking for new lotions to try from Bath and Body Works, pick up the Papaya, Paradise Cove, and the Beautiful Day. These two are great, okay? Last but not least, I have a few candles that I loved that I got from Bath and Body Works that I've completely used up, and I figured I would share it with you guys in case there are girls out there that like you know, candles. So the first candle that I used up would be this pumpkin cupcake, and you guys, oh, it smells so good. It smells so good. And I know it looks like there's still some in here, but that's because, like, you know how it hardens, but when I light it, it's really nothing there. It's nothing left anymore. But this smells so good. This is one of their fall scents. So this is pumpkin cupcake. Smells so good. It smells like literally a cupcake with a hint of pumpkin. The next one would be this cinnamon caramel swirl. This is another one that smells so good. It kind of smells like that one, the cupcake one. They remind me of each other. This one smells so good too. Used all of this up. It smells so good. Last candle would have to be this caramel pumpkin swirl. Compared to those, this one is like the least. This one doesn't smell as good as those, but it does smell good. Like, I've used all this up, and another good candle to try. Once again, caramel pumpkin swirl. I will list all these candles below in the description box. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. These are all the products that I have used up. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to thumbs up and please subscribe. Until next time guys, bye.